500 million Australian animals die as fires burn. As raging wildfires sweep across Australia, an estimated 500 million native wild animals have died. The fires have destroyed more than 9.9 million acres across 5 states, killing mammals, birds, and reptiles. The states of New South Wales, NSW, and Victoria, both on Australia's southeast coast, have been hit especially hard. Scientists fear that entire species of some plants and animals may have been wiped out. Some of the animals living in the regions include koalas, kangaroos, wombats, and possums. Koalas are particularly vulnerable because they don't have the ability to get away from danger quickly. They also only eat leaves from eucalyptus trees, which burn easily because they're full of oil. An estimated 8,000, or 30% of the entire koala population of NSW, have been killed by the fires. Stand Up for Nature, a group of conservation organizations, wants to halt the logging industry in NSW. They're asking the state government to stop logging until the impact of the fires on native species habitats can be assessed. The lasting effects of this terrible crisis still remain to be seen.
Vocabulary:
Raging, estimate, acre, mammal, reptile, species, wipe out, vulnerable, conservation, halt, impact, habitat, assess.